HTURING. Lead the future of smart container management.
Tide of artificial intelligence, the world is going through unprecedented profound changes.
HTURING.
As a pioneer in the field of smart ports, always focus on the port logistics field, provide innovative, efficient, and customized smart port solutions, relying on strong core technologies.
HTURING
Has built a complete set of
HTURING
smart station system. Covers AI control management, AI container management, unpacking system, warehouse system, repair container system, transportation system, field station, digital twin simulation system, AI automatic gate, AI automatic lead seal dispenser, AI automatic test container, to build a comprehensive AI unmanned intelligent yard management system. In addition,
HTURING.
for his Zen supply chain to build a complete set of
OTWB.
the information system. This whole system serves the supply chain of large-scale manufacturing enterprises, provide a complete information service. In addition, we have also developed a complete set of information systems for foreign trade logistics supply chains. We provide services for every step of the supply chain, provide customized solutions, effectively ensure an efficient and smooth logistics experience. In addition, innovations in port automation and safety were introduced. Automated loading system for bulk and general cargo terminals, AI electronic fence system for terminals. Combine AI with terminal safety to provide intelligent guarantee for the safe operation of ports. Global layout and wide range of services. HTURING's customers are located around the world. Our business, it covers major port cities in China, such as
大连、天津、青岛、日照、连云港、上海、宁波、厦门、深圳、
inland ports such as
宁夏、兰州。
also in overseas markets, including Vietnam, Indonesia, South Africa, and other countries. Also completed the layout of the product. The service customers include the major terminals and major port logistics enterprises. Service achievements, annual HTURING, intelligent services for nearly 10 million containers. With practical action, promote the intelligent transformation and upgrading of the global logistics industry. Hand in hand with HTURING, create a new chapter in intelligent logistics